name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to explore two blending techniques using different brushes. So hit the subscribe button and let's begin. Let's quickly check our materials and set up our workspace. Make sure everything is within reach and we are working on a clean canvas. Now take your flat brush and load it up with black paint, making sure to coat the bristles evenly. Gently apply the black color to your canvas using horizontal strokes. Grab your Persian blue and with light pressure start blending the Persian blue into the black using horizontal side to side strokes. Don't cover the entire canvas, focus on where you want the blending to occur. The goal is to create a smooth transition between two colors. Let's bring in the cobalt blue. Hold the brush closer to the bristles for better control. If needed, reload your brush with more of each color to enhance the blend. Let's lighten it up with some pure white. Use long, even strokes for cohesive blend. Adjust pressure based on the color intensity you desire. This was all about side to side blending technique using flat brush. Now switch to your round brush for circular blending. Load your round brush with Indian red and apply it to the opposite side of the canvas. Instead of straight strokes, use gentle circular motions to blend the color. This technique adds a soft and organic feel to your artwork. Add Scarlet Lake with some gentle circular motions. Imagine you are painting a warm and a cozy sunset. Use overlapping strokes to blend the two colors together. The key here is gradual blending. Keep that flow going with permanent orange and let's finish it off with a burst of lemon yellow. dreamy blends are gold here. Blending is the secret sauce to creating depth and richness in your artwork. Experiment with the angle of brush to control the blending effect. Remember, blending is an art in itself, so take your time, enjoy the process, and let your creativity flow. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more artistic adventures. You did it! You have just explored two fantastic blending techniques using different brushes. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of blending techniques. Keep painting!